Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make planty contents. So in today's video, I will be doing a simple DIY, which is also similar to the video that I made earlier. And it's a pressed flower art, and I will be using an Ikea frame for this. It is called Ikea Lerboda, if I'm pronouncing it right. And this is the frame. I got it from a third-party seller from Instagram, and I've seen those frames in Amazon as well. And also you can buy it directly from Ikea store if you live in Hyderabad, Mumbai or Gujarat. So yes, this frame, it's a very simple DIY. You can also try it at home. You just need some dried pressed leaves or flowers or even some art piece that you have. And yeah, so this is the one. I'll put all the links of the places where you can find this frame in the description box. And yeah, these are the flowers that I will be using for this frame. I'll be cutting it into small pieces like this and placing them in this frame. So let's see. So this is the frame that I made last time, and it looks something like this. I'll put the link of this video in the description box so you can check it out. There's also a similar kind of frame that you can get from Ikea. It's called Ikea Lerboda, if I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, this is also status and this is fur. So yes, let's begin the video. So this is how the frame turned out to be, and I hope you all liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, just consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.